Welcome back. Disgraced movie mogul Harvey Weinstein is set to appear in a Manhattan courtroom this afternoon.
This follows an appeals court's decision last week to overturn the former film executive's 2020 sexual assault conviction.
NBC News correspondent Chloe Melas sat through every day of that trial here in New York, and she joins us from outside the courthouse now. Chloe, good morning. What can we expect in the courtroom today?
So over the weekend, Harvey Weinstein was actually hospitalized at Bellevue because he's had numerous health issues over the years, and he was transferred to Rikers. So he's going to be stepping foot in the same courthouse where he was convicted in 2020. So it was that landmark Me Too moment when those allegations first came forward in 2017. It's been nearly 7 years since those initial stories broke by Jodi Kantor and Megan Twohey from the New York Times and Ronan Farrow. And this is a very significant moment. Harvey Weinstein has been serving a 23-year prison sentence at Mohawk Correctional Facility upstate, and it's going to be interesting to see if the judge today assigns a new court date, because the Manhattan District Attorney's Office has said that they do plan, Savannah and Joe, to retry this specific case.
Chloe, so is there any sense of when that could happen?
I was actually speaking to NBC News legal analyst Danny Ceballos last week, who says that there's not a lot of lead-up time when you're going to be retried. It really comes down to what witnesses the prosecutors are able to get. According to Judah Engelmeyer, a spokesperson for Harvey Weinstein, he told me last week after the court's decision was announced that the conviction was being overturned, that some of the witnesses have timed out. So what does that mean, and which witnesses are those that aren't going to be able to testify if there is another trial? So we could see a trial date set today, and it could potentially be as early as maybe this fall. And then the big question is, will Harvey Weinstein in the meantime be extradited to California, where he was convicted of rape and assault charges, and he has a 16-year sentence that he is facing, and his legal team is actually in the process of trying to appeal that. Now, Harvey Weinstein's legal team, guys, has said that they believe that he will be a free man, that they will fight a potential new trial, that they actually are going to try to get him to be released on bond into protective custody with an ankle monitor out in California while they wait for this potential new New York criminal trial.
Chloe, what are the next steps when it comes to the California conviction? How soon could we hear something on that one?
So, these sentences, Savannah, were supposed to run concurrently. So 23 years and then the 16-year sentence out in California. But it's really a question of, is he going to start serving that 16-year sentence now while he awaits a potential New York trial? And, the district attorney says that they want to have another criminal trial here in New York, but that is a steep mountain to climb. Will it actually happen? Will that actually come together? Harvey Weinstein's legal team, his spokesperson, Judah Engelmeyer, was actually telling me yesterday that they want to see if the last year and a half can count as time served towards his 16-year sentence in California. As you can see, a lot of unknowns, but hopefully some answers will come to light this afternoon when Harvey Weinstein steps foot in that courthouse behind me at 2:15.
Chloe, you mentioned over the weekend Weinstein was hospitalized. Real quickly, how much does his health play into any decisions that are being made here?
We saw him with a walker in the criminal trial in 2019, and according to his attorney, Arthur Adelia, and his spokesperson, they've all said that he has hearing issues, he has eyesight issues, he has heart issues, all of these alleged medical issues, and that's why he was treated, and a series of tests were performed over the weekend. Will a judge decide that maybe he needs to be in some sort of a medical facility under protective custody? Again, we should have those answers at the hearing this afternoon.
All right, Chloe, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.